Rankin Realty Group brings you 1131 Beale Road in Goldston, North Carolina. Located off Beale Road outside of Goldston, North Carolina, is this quaint 15-acre Chatham County farm. The farm is home to a charming 1,400 square foot brick home. This modest farmhouse boasts simple amenities like a brick fireplace, cozy living quarters, 3 bedrooms, and 2 full baths. The main attraction to this farm are the 2 500-foot chicken houses. Built by Addison Trust from Addison, Alabama, these 500 by 40 houses are solidly constructed with 2-phase power and a backup generic generator. 10 cool air fans per house, Ziggity Flow line drinkers, chore time feeders, and foggers. These chicken houses are fully operational and waiting for your flocks. Accompanying the 20 cool air fans are 150 feet of cool air cool cells per house. They are also equipped with 10-ton bins with a 4-inch fill system. This property includes numerous other outbuildings, including a 45 by 112 foot hay and equipment shelter, an 80 by 30 lean-to shelter, a 50 by 65 compost shed, and a 30 by 60 Carolina carport equipment shed. This property has 15 acres of working space to manage and maintain your own farm. Offered at $495,000. Rankin Realty Group. Exceptional places for extraordinary people. For more information or to speak with an agent, call Stephanie Kerr at 919-214-1768. Whether it's agricultural, commercial, or residential real estate, we're here to help. Contact our office at 919-800-0355.